Greetings, everybody. I know this is an odd occasion, but I am here in Greenfield, Tennessee, at this fire Sterling siren that is about to sound in 2 minutes or so. This is it, Greenfield fire station number 2, I think. I could be terribly wrong. I'm in my own car sitting in a McDonald's parking lot. Waiting. 1 minute, man. Just in case it blasts me in the face. I'm rolling up my window. This is my Nissan Altima. I love my car. So on my car it says 125. So terribly off. I'm scared. I am treacherously scared. It's silent. I can barely hear it. Okay, so it does attack. That's it. That's all that was. Attack. Huh. Alright. Well,